If I'm fixing it, I'm filming it. Well, has this ever happened to your 2006 GMC or Chevy? Broken. Guess we're going to have to fix it. A few tools for this. I use some plastic tools for, just for plastic stuff. Doesn't mark it up as much. We got a Phillips 10mm short and long, and looks like a 7mm, and of course the new part right from General Motors, $54 Canadian. I could have got a Dorman, but for 54 bucks they had it in stock. What the heck. Okay, so a few things we have to do. We got this cover here I have to remove, that cover, this cover. I have a bolt about right here, another bolt right here, that's got to come off. I almost forgot there's a screw behind that cover. Oh, another plastic cover, and looks like this might have to come off, but we will see how this goes here. Okay. Let's see here. Now this has to come off. And I think there's just little snaps, and behind it is actually a Torx. Another one over here. This one's actually a push pin. There we go. So that's why these tools are kind of handy. I know this has got to come off. And oh, I know that's got to come off. There you go, that came off. Yeah, that screw right there, 7mm. That's a long one. Like I said, one way down here. Remove this screw too, don't forget. Okay, let me go get that Torx. Frank, you want to get me that Torx? Looks like about a 15. Actually, it was a 20. Thanks, Frank. Good guess. Oh, that's a fancy screw. Now, I think that's about it. Oh, maybe this has to come off. There you go, just some snap pins. Yeah, you can probably take this light off here. First there's a cable on it, that already came off. Now the door should just kind of lift up and then out. I'm going to have some wires attached to that, but nothing I can do. You can't really lift this up. I think there's a screw behind this side. There we go. Now just gently let it hang. There you go. Because right now I just got to get to these two screws, and there's a big screw behind here. Okay, I just took the cover off just to make it a little bit easier to see, but like I said, you don't have to take the cover off, just let it hang there gently. But now we got to get to that bolt, and then there's a bolt underneath this cover. There we go. 10mm. Yay! It's always nice when they don't fall into the deepest crevice of the door. Oh yeah, there's that one, and that one. Looks like I'm going to have to cut this here a little bit to get my hand up there. Let's go get a knife. There's that one, and there's that one. So it's accessible from only behind. So let's get that short socket. Where did I put that short socket? Frank? Oh, never mind. I found it. Yeah, just remember, working in these doors, everything's sharp. They don't put any safety lips inside the door. Okay. That's it. Oh, okay. Now. I've got two mechanisms on here. Okay, so I got to remove this guy, a little clasp, and then way down here. So they just kind of pop up over. Pretty hard to show you with one hand, but that's my next mission. Then I can remove this and then remove the tumbler from it. Yeah, so this just kind of flips over the cable. Same with that one. Just flips over the cable, so you should have no problem getting it off. Okay, so just a little pin snap right here. Just get it enough so we can get a screwdriver behind it. Don't let that thing fly, because it'll be gone. No, I didn't need that piece anyways. Okay, that's off. Tumbler should just fall out. Okay, once I get that off, I just have to lift the tumbler out. There we go. Okay, where's the new one? I also noticed when you pull the tumbler out, you get a tiny little washer. So put that back on. Don't forget it in the old handle. The new one comes with a new clip. Okay, let's get the new spring out of here. I need 2 screwdrivers. Oh, that wasn't easy. Okay, so let's put the new tumbler. Don't forget that little washer. That can only go in that way. Keys up and down. Oh, nice tight fit. And let's get this back on. Well, I got it all on together. So let's get these on the rods here and reassemble it. I got the bottom off last, so let's maybe put that on first. Here we go. On and on. Okay. Twist it a little bit to get it on. Okay, well, let's get those 3 bolts back on. Let me just double check the torque on that top one. Let me get some tape here. I want to tape this where I have to cut it. You don't want to leave it like that. Dust will come in and that, so grab some tape and I'll be right back. Okay, got some tape here. Okay, there we go. That looks pretty good. Okay, let's go reinstall the door panel. Well, it works good. Well, let's get that cover back on, because we're done that. There we go. Let's put on the cover now. Got it all taped up. Okay, and I guess before we put the cover on, you know me, I like to dielectric grease the connections. Oh, that's one way to get some change out, eh? Okay, so I'm going to put some dielectric grease on these connections. It never hurts. Boy, nothing but the best for the Chevy. Okay. Let's retest the connections. Well, that was pretty graceful getting that in. Well, it feels like it's all in. Okay, let's get these screws in. This over here. There we go. Nice. This back over here. Push. Tighten this up with that T20. And we are done. There you go. Good luck replacing your door handle. It's a pretty simple fix. Good luck.